Yeah.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my closet because, as usual, I was too lazy to put everything back and now it's a mess. Just a quick interruption. Did you guys notice I changed my username? My channel name has been BeautyBabe6169 since like 5th grade when I first posted my first ever video and then deleted it. But like, yeah, it's a little bit weird for me, but I hope you guys like it. You can totally see a pile of clothes right behind me. Before I get started with this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any videos that you want to see from me. Maybe if you want to see like a part 2 where I clean up the rest of my room, because that's also a mess. And like, I did this series like a long time ago and you guys seem to like it, so let me know if you want to see that. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. And without any further ado, let's get started. So this is like the mess that we're dealing with. This part is not so bad. The issue is that. So yeah, you're just gonna watch me take some stuff out and then I will be back with you once I have everything out of the closet.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
So basically I just took everything out and I put the ones that I have been wearing in a pile. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like sort through this pile because I know I still have a bunch of jackets and stuff in there. And then I'm also just gonna pile everything in like a designated spot.
My strawberry kisses. I could fly through the wind.
So I kind of just got my life together like really quickly. Like, look at that, that's like cleaner. But what I want to do is, let me try this. I have a bunch of hangers that are all like different. I want to like color code them, if that makes sense. And I don't necessarily think you guys want to see that, so we're just gonna like poof it. The last time I saw this closet being this empty was literally when we moved into the house and then they had just built the closet in. So I feel like the next thing that I am going to do is put back my jackets and my shirts in actual like full-on OCD color coordination before I start dealing with the shelves, because I did have like a shelf organization that I liked, but now I want to switch it up a little bit. So this is like the best that I could do with the jackets. It's not perfect. And now I was about to start the shirt section, but then like you can see there's a bunch of like dust and stuff down there, so I have to clean that up. So everything is all up in the closet. That's like better lighting. I want to start like organizing the little shelves, but then first what I want to do is get all the bags from up there. So let me do that really quickly. Ta-da! The dust is really getting to me. I keep coughing and sneezing and it's so bad. Like, I feel like you can hear it. But this next part is gonna be kind of tedious for me to keep explaining. But basically, I'm gonna time-lapse my way through this so that you can see. But I'm gonna try and figure out a way that I can like organize this to look a bit different than what I was before. And like, I went downstairs and I found a few like storage baskets and a bunch of stuff, but look what I found. I found my iPod Touch from like 4th grade. So if I find a charger that fits this, I doubt we have one, we can look through it. But then I kind of want to explore what's up here, because in my last closet video I never looked in that. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I've never opened these drawers. Only like when we moved in and I put in a bunch of stuff in there. That's gonna be fun and I really want to do that today. So let me just time out myself cleaning this and I'll get back to you when everything looks better. I want you guys to acknowledge the mess that is going on in my room right now. Ignoring the shoes part, I'm actually very much impressed with how I decided to switch this whole thing up. Now we're going to the fun part, and that is looking what is up there. I'm keeping you guys over there because that's like the only safe angle. Bless me. Oh my jeez Louise, there's the huge spider. I used to be obsessed with this backpack. Oh my god. It's pretty cute if you ask me. Guys, my biggest fear is opening this and then a snake just flies out. Oh, my violin! It didn't really work well, and it broke. For all time's sake. So that was fun. Okay, now off camera, I'm just gonna like organize my shoes a little bit, and then we're just gonna montage our way through it and then end the video, I guess. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you want me to do a like cleaning series. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. Now I have to go edit this video because this video goes up tomorrow. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on Saturday for a brand new video. Bye.